Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delia Mireya. For this video I'm going to be doing a full house clean with me. I'm gonna try and get as much as I can done. I want to do a quick intro. I haven't been posting as many videos on. I was working a full-time job for about 2 months and a half. I don't even remember when the last time that I posted my last video on here was. I do have one video prior to this one that I'm going to be sharing with you all. That video was filmed a while back, but I hadn't had the chance to edit it since I was working. So today is like my official day that I'm going to be doing like a deep cleaning of the whole house. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, dining room, living room, whatever I can get done, as much as I can today. I don't even remember if I mentioned to you all that we have a new fridge. The fridge that we had broke down, so we had to get a new fridge. So I'm going to be cleaning that, cleaning the bathrooms as much as I can today. So I want to hurry up and get right into it. So let's go ahead and get right into the cleaning. I hope that this video motivates you all to cleaning yourselves at home as well. Sometimes when I watch cleaning videos, it motivates me. Don't forget to like this video and to finish watching it till the end and then get to cleaning at home. Let's go ahead and get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Hello friends, Delia Mireya voiceover here. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having a great, lovely day. For this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to be doing cleaning. I hope that this motivates you to cleaning. I have so many deep cleaning areas in my home that I want to clean. I want to do like a fall clean out of my closet. I haven't had the time to do that yet, but it's coming, friends. I'm going to get started by cleaning the dining room area. That way my son can get started with his homework, and then that way he's a little bit entertained while I do the rest of the cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some clothes to wash while I'm doing like the rest of the stuff. That's what I like to do, saves time, right? Put my son's, all his comforter to wash, and then I'll move on to cleaning the rest of the kitchen. It really does help a lot if you start washing your clothes while you do the rest of the cleaning. So it is best to start out with that if you can. Try and pile up all of the dirty clothes and start by washing. That way, while that's washing and then you're cleaning, and then you can put that clothes that has already been washed, you can put that in the dryer. And then as you finish off the rest of your cleaning, you can go back into your dryer, fold some of the clothes. That way it doesn't get too wrinkly. That's what I try to do when I'm focused on washing and cleaning. Because if not, the clothes gets all wrinkly and I have to iron it. I feel like I have to iron my husband's clothes especially, and my son's. I don't worry too much about ironing my clothes, especially if it's like clothes to be around the house. I don't worry too much about that. But it's important to take it out of the dryer as soon as you can. I'm going to be moving on to the kitchen area. This place is, I would call it the worst place that gets messiest in my home, just because it's used several times a day. Cooking, and then I have to wash dishes and then put them away, dry them up, and then cook again and then cook again. I feel like it's, I don't know, I just need to get more organized here, and I always say that. I have to, but then I get caught up with other things that I have to do. It's a full-time job, friends, to be a stay-at-home mom or a homemaker. It really is. I'm going to, but you know what? Let me start by telling you that it's made a big difference now that my kitchen is more organized, because when I wash my dishes, all my dishes, pots, pans, spoons, they have a place in my home. I organize my kitchen in a way, and I know it's not the perfect organized kitchen, but it's worked for me. I organized it in a way that every time that I would wash my dishes, all these pots, pans, plates, bowls, cups, they have a place to go right after I wash them and I dry them up. They have a stored place where they go inside the cabinet. So that has helped a lot, because other times, like, we are a family of 3. Like, who needs 30 to 40 plates? I had so many plates and so many of everything. and I got rid of them. Like, I donated them, but like, who has so many plates and you're a small family? You don't need that many. So I would wash some plates and then I would just leave them in my kitchen sink because I didn't have a place to store them. Now that I do have a place for them, once my plates and everything dry up, then I can store them in a place. I think I was gonna say something else, but then I forgot. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep washing my dishes here, and then I'm going to wait till they dry a little bit, just so that water goes down the sink, and then I can grab a clean microfiber cloth, and then I'm going to dry them up, and then I will store them away. I think what I was going to say is that my kitchen is the messiest, and I try to keep it clean because my living area, when you come into my house, the kitchen, dining room area, living room area is all one space. So if the kitchen is messy, or the dining room or the living room, when you walk into my house, if you were to come as guest, you would look at my kitchen and you would say, oh no, this is a messy place. So I try to keep it as clean as I can, but every day it's not going to be clean like all the time. It gets used and it gets used, so there's always cleaning that needs to be done in this area. Gonna believe what happened, friends. As I was cleaning my kitchen stove, I saw that there was a big spider web on the corner of my kitchen stove. I've never had spider webs near my kitchen, so I was surprised, and I'm like, you know what, I need to move this stove out of here and I need to see what's behind it. There was a couple crumbs. Now, I had just cleaned the stove not too long ago. I also had to spray like a bug spray just in case there's any bugs. I always like to spray, and I was so unhappy with this spider web because I'm like, why is it near my stove or my kitchen? I was just gone 2 months and a half, friends. I was working a full-time job, and this was a seasonal job, so that job is done and over with. But still, I'm like, okay, I haven't done a deep cleaning, but 2 months. It's all it took for these spider webs to be invited into my kitchen. I was not happy about that. So I'm going to start cleaning deeply in some areas. We'll try everything in my house, but I'm going in one area first, and I'm moving my way in my home to cleaning doing all the deep cleaning that I haven't done in these last couple of months. Spider webs in my home, friends. Okay, now this is another story, friends. This is my vacuum that I am so happy with ever since I've gotten it. It does a really good cleaning. It has deep cleaned my floors. Now, if you leave the dirty water in there, it smells so bad. So I threw that out, and I sometimes forget to dump the water out. And then the next day, when I'm going to vacuum again, it releases like a really bad smell. I don't know if you guys saw, but here in my windows, I had so many dead bugs on my windows. These dead bugs, I don't know where they came from. I don't know why they were here. I mean, I know that I did sprayed for bugs like a while back, but these bugs were everywhere. I am so happy that I'm starting to clean little by little and getting rid of all these bugs. I'm using this new cleaner. It's Sprayway stainless cleaner for my fridge. It's my first time ever using this stainless steel cleaner. I've never used this brand before. I got it confused because I think I have a similar one, but it's for cleaning the windows and also the mirror. So I do that to clean the bathroom windows, the bathroom mirror, sorry. So I thought it was the same one, but it wasn't. This one is to clean the fridge, and it's my first time using it. It was okay. I mean, I liked it. It was good. I still need to give it a couple more tries to see if I really like it, and if I would stop using the one I previously used, which was one from Women, I think it was. So I will let you know next videos or next upcoming videos when I keep using it. I've been washing clothes, as I said, so I'm going to start folding some of the clothes that needs to be folded. Clothes that does not need to be ironed, like pajamas, they do not need to be ironed. Now I iron pretty much lots of my clothes, but some clothes does not need to be ironed, my clothes to be around the house. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start putting stuff away, and the sooner I put stuff away, the sooner I get things done. So I'm going to be doing that, still washing, still drying, and doing some more cleaning here around the house. For this video, I did lots and lots of cleaning, and I hope that this video motivates you all at home to cleaning your home as well. I cleaned my dining room area, my kitchen, I vacuumed my floors, I did washing, drying, folding clothes. I picked up a little bit in the living room. Now the clothes, I am not going to be ironing it till later, so I'm going to be leaving my ironing board here in the living room. And my living room, it looks pretty clean, organized, but I didn't put some stuff away, and that is like a pet peeve. I don't like things to be there in the living room, but you know what, I didn't have time to finish it today, so I'm just gonna leave it there and then just do it some other day. Thank you so much, friends, for staying to the end of this video. I like to thank you guys so much I appreciate you friends for being here on my channel. I know that we have very few views, very few people that are subscribed, but I am so happy with each and every one of you all that have joined me today for this video. Thank you so much for coming back to watching my videos. I am so thankful and I am so happy. Even though we have very few views, I'm just so happy to see that you all friends are coming back to watching my videos. Thank you so much. May God bless each and every one of you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.